Hi y'all, I'm Brandon Kovalsky, General Manager here at Gilbert Collision Center. Thanks for checking out another one of our body shop videos.
After an accident, you often exchange insurance information with the other parties involved. There are cases where the other driver doesn't carry insurance on their vehicle. In these particular cases, what do you do if the other driver doesn't carry insurance? While most states require drivers to carry insurance by law, some drivers still choose not to. Uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage on your own policy will help if you are injured in an accident with an uninsured or underinsured driver. Collision coverage may pay for vehicle damage. You should consult with your insurance provider to determine what coverages you currently have on your insurance policy. There are a number of variations to insurance policies, so it's very important that you are comfortable and knowledgeable of the type of coverage that you have.
Gilbert Collision Center. We speak y'all.